Good morning, Krah community. Here we are. Usually all the videos, they are starting with very boring items like please subscribe our channel, please click on the bell so that you're always notified. But in our case, I will not be so boring and I will start directly with content. After our last video, or our first video of our new book, I'm so happy we sold already 60 books, and the good news, still some books are available. In the show notes down of this video you will find a link where you can order this book directly. For today I thought by myself what could be interesting for the community during a pandemic situation, and I think I have a nice idea, but let me drink a coffee first. Let us call one of my best customers, Peter Kirti in Estonia, and I will make a short video call with him, and I hope he will pick up the phone to show a little view of the company and what he's doing at the moment. So, hello, Peter? Okay, let me change to the video call so I can see you much better and all our audience can see you. Okay, 1 second.
Morning, Alexander. Nice to get a call from you. Yeah, of course, you got me at this time when I'm going to take my morning tour in the factory. But, as we talk, you can join me. So, how are things in Germany with this COVID and everything? We seem to be more or less fine. We had some issues with some workers. We lost about a third of the people a few weeks back, but now most of them are back in the office. The sales go as usual. They could be better, but we are not complaining too much. Okay, give me a second. I have to put some things on because also we have some rules here to enter the production. Give me a second. Oh, did you enjoy the view of the ceiling? Good. So, as you can see, we are still running nicely. So, pipes are in the production. I hope that you can hear me over the sound of everything. So, the line is working properly. And the guys are happy with the new equipment, with the new development. It's a bit noisy here, but I hope that you can hear. We also have some nice things in production from the fabrication side. So some drinking water tanks. So I think that you would enjoy the view here. It's a bit bigger than I am. So you see, we are working full time, and hopefully you can tell this to other guys that no crying around, and just like working is possible during the COVID time also. Oh, something more complicated and interesting here. Enjoy the view? Alright. Okay, Alexander, I will run back to the office now because there are some other things that we need to do. And if you have time, give me a new call.
Oh Peter, this was great. So I will call you again after I finish my presentation or my little video here, and I'm very sure the people will like it, especially your new beard looks great. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon, maybe on a construction site outside or wherever. So thank you. So now you saw the little overview of the plant in Estonia, and my question is, because I'm brand new with my video blogging, do you like this kind of videos showing customers making a tour EVS? Please be so kind and comment it in the commenting area, and I try to adjust our videos in the future. So it's now a pleasure with this YouTube channel. We are very active, but nevertheless, we are also very active in all the other social medias like LinkedIn and Instagram. And I forgot just my name. Babe, can you give me the paper with the names? Okay, this is LinkedIn. You will find us at Krah Pipes. And babe, the other one, please. And at Instagram is a little bit more funny. You will see it on the Der Krah because I think Krah was already blocked. So please check. This is the Instagram. Usually easy content, more strong and heavy content. And of course the YouTube channel and our homepage and our shop will round our social face up. We will try to make a new video every 2 weeks, so please subscribe the button and we will present a lot of technical information, commercial information, sometimes some funny informations, and if you like, we will show Krah pipes using around the world. And if you are still here and you still like it, I got no information that you ordered this beautiful book. So if you want to support us and if you want to have more technical information about Krah pipes, this is the one. You have to order this one. Forget all the magazines. All the magazines are full of advertisements. This is pure technology. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye. Oh, by the way, if you want to have the same good strong coffee, we have a link in the show notes where you can order this coffee with a special discount. I don't know if it's 5% or 10% of all products of Black Ops Coffee. Enjoy.